Farmers start their day early in the morning, before the dawn has spread across the fields. On the meticulously tended hills, coffee trees stretch out in the light mist. Rows of strawberries are plump and bright red in the early morning sun, and golden cherries hide under the young green leaves. Each crop has its own story, cultivated with the passion and tireless labor of the farmers. Cultivation begins with preparing the land and choosing the right variety. The land is plowed and fertilized with organic fertilizer to ensure fertility. Ready to nurture the crops, coffee seeds are sown in the ground. Strawberry plants are carefully planted in rows, and golden cherries are cared for to grow naturally. Farmers are not simply planters. They are also protectors of nature, taking care of every little detail to ensure the best growth of the crops. Harvest season is when joy and excitement fill the fields. Ripe red strawberries are picked by hand, one by one, to ensure freshness. Ripe coffee bunches are harvested by modern machinery, ensuring speed and efficiency. The golden berries are carefully trimmed, keeping their shiny skin intact, ready for the next processing stages. At modern factories, hundreds of tons of agricultural products are put into automatic production lines. The strawberries are washed, sorted and processed into jam, juice or packaged whole. Coffee is roasted, ground and packaged into delicious products, serving the daily needs of millions of people. The golden berries are processed into juice, canned or dried products to preserve the unique flavor. Each stage in the processing line is strictly controlled, ensuring food hygiene and safety standards. Modern technology helps optimize the production process, minimize waste and enhance product quality. The finished products are carefully packaged, ready to be shipped to consumers around the world. The process of transporting agricultural products from the factory to consumers is a long journey, requiring close coordination between departments. After being carefully packaged, the boxes will be stored in cold storage to maintain their freshness. Specialized trucks begin to roll, carrying boxes containing not only agricultural products but also the passion and expectations of farmers. On the way, the modern cold storage system on the truck ensures that the strawberries retain their plump red color and vitality when they reach consumers. After being tightly packaged, the coffee will be shipped to supermarkets. Stores are exported to international markets. Products from golden dreams, from juice to fresh fruit, are all processed with the highest standards to preserve their natural flavor. The journey from the field to the dining table of each family is a perfect chain, built by dedication and tireless efforts. When the products arrive at supermarkets or stores, consumers can easily recognize them through eye-catching packaging, clear and transparent information. Large stores often display strawberry, coffee, and golden apricot products in prominent locations to attract customers. Bright red strawberries, fragrant bags of coffee, and fresh golden apricot juice bottles are not only food, but also carry within them the story of the connection between people and nature. For farmers, seeing their products loved and chosen is an incomparable happiness. Waking up early in the morning, taking care of each tree, watering each bed of soil, or standing late at night in front of the production line are all worthwhile. Each crop is a lesson. Each finished product is a proud achievement. They not only produce food, but also bring joy and vitality to many families. In addition, the development of technology and modern processing plants has opened a new era for the agricultural industry. Today's farmers are not only people working in the fields, they are also trained to use machines and apply advanced technology to production. Drones used to monitor crops, automatic irrigation systems that save water and increase efficiency, or smart production lines that reduce waste are all proof of progress. However, behind those successes, there are also difficulties and challenges. Natural disasters, climate change and market prices are factors that always threaten farmers' crops and income. However, it is their perseverance, love for the job and optimism that help them overcome it all. Each strawberry field, each coffee garden or each golden dream garden is a symbol of the strength of labor and solidarity. The journey from planting, harvesting, processing to distribution is not only a production process but also a story about the connection between people. Nature and society. Each product that reaches consumers not only brings material value but also spiritual value. Reflecting the tireless efforts of farmers, this is a living testament to the power of labor, creativity and love for the land and trees. The flow of agricultural products does not stop at supermarkets or retail stores. They continue their journey to kitchens, restaurants, or other production lines, where they are processed into delicious dishes or products for daily life. Red strawberries often appear in desserts such as cakes, ice cream, or are used as an ingredient in drinks at coffee shops. Roasted and ground coffee beans are ground and brewed into fragrant cups of coffee, energizing millions of people every morning. Products made from golden apricots, from refreshing juices to dried fruits, bring convenience to consumers in their busy lives. For the food industry, these products are indispensable ingredients. Confectionery, beverage, and even cosmetic factories find value in strawberries, coffee, and golden apricots. Scientific research is increasingly discovering health benefits from these agricultural products. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Coffee stimulates alertness and increases work performance, while golden apricots are rich in nutrients, providing natural energy to the body. These values not only increase consumer demand but also promote innovation in the processing industry. On the other hand, farmers are also aware that sustainable development is a vital factor in modern agriculture. They have begun to apply environmentally friendly farming techniques, reduce the use of chemicals and apply measures to reuse resources. Many farms have deployed renewable energy systems, such as solar or wind power, to operate farming equipment and greenhouses. These advances not only help protect the environment but also increase the brand value of their products. Especially when the international market increasingly prioritizes green and sustainable products. In addition, the role of agricultural cooperatives is also very important in organizing and supporting farmers. Cooperatives not only provide technical knowledge, new plant varieties and technologies, but also act as intermediaries in accessing markets, ensuring stable prices and creating export opportunities. This helps farmers avoid being forced to lower prices by traders, while expanding the scale of production, thereby increasing income and improving their lives. The success stories of farmers do not stop at improving the economy but also spread to the surrounding community. The countryside becomes more prosperous with spacious houses, concrete roads, and children have access to better education. The bumper crops not only bring personal joy but also pride to the whole community. For them, each strawberry, each coffee bean, or each golden apricot is not only the result of labor but also a symbol of hope and the future. Modern agriculture is not only a combination of tradition and technology but also a colorful picture of cooperation between people, nature and science. From the field, through the factory, to the hands of consumers, each product is a magical story of creativity, perseverance and dreams. Farmers, the silent but great people, are the heart of agriculture. always beating strongly to nourish the world. The development of modern agriculture is not only about improving productivity, but also about building a sustainable ecosystem where humans and nature coexist and develop in harmony. Around the world, many high-tech agricultural projects have been and are being implemented, from vertical farms in greenhouses to automated fields with harvesting robots. These innovations not only help optimize yields but also minimize negative impacts on the environment. Imagine a modern strawberry farm, where each row of strawberries is grown in giant greenhouses. The irrigation system automatically adjusts the exact amount of water, based on weather data and soil moisture. The lighting is provided by LEDs that simulate sunlight, natural light, helping the plants grow all year round regardless of the weather conditions outside. The harvesting robot moves gently between the rows, picking each ripe red strawberry without damaging the plant. These strawberries, after being automatically checked for quality, will be packaged on the spot and transported to supermarkets in the shortest time. Similarly, with coffee, modern technology also brings breakthroughs in the entire production process. From selecting varieties, caring for the plants to harvesting and processing, everything is optimized. Drones fly over coffee farms to monitor the health of the plants. Detect early signs of disease and provide timely solutions. When the harvest season comes, automatic machines help pick coffee quickly, classifying it on the spot to ensure the best quality. The coffee beans are then fed into processing lines, where they are roasted with absolute precision to create products that meet the highest standards. Meanwhile, the golden apricots, a fruit that symbolizes freshness and nutrition, are also cared for and processed using advanced technology. The application of smart sensors to measure the amount of nutrients in the soil and water helps ensure that each golden apricot tree receives the best conditions for growth. After harvesting, the golden apricots will be put into a modern processing system, where they are washed, cut, juiced or dried depending on the intended use. Each finished product is packaged in environmentally friendly packaging, reflecting the world's sustainable consumption trend. Along with technology, modern farmers are increasingly becoming agricultural entrepreneurs. They not only produce but also know how to promote their products. Using social networks and e-commerce platforms to connect directly with consumers. Stories about the journey of growing, caring for, and harvesting are shared through vivid videos and images, helping consumers better understand the true value of each product. This not only increases economic value but also builds trust and a sustainable relationship between producers and consumers. However, challenges are always present. Climate change, water resource crisis, and competitive pressure in the international market are major issues that the agricultural sector needs to face. But it is from these difficulties that new initiatives, green technologies, and circular agricultural models have been born, creating significant progress. Solutions such as reusing agricultural byproducts, deploying renewable energy, or building a low-carbon agricultural system not only help minimize negative impacts on the environment but also contribute to building a sustainable agricultural economy. Looking back at the entire process, from the first seeds sown in the ground until the products reach consumers, we see the miracle of human labor and intelligence. Each juicy strawberry, each fragrant coffee bean, each sweet golden apricot fruit all carry within themselves not only economic but also spiritual value. They are the result of the fusion of tradition and modernity, between the love of the farmer's job and the power of science and technology. The agricultural sector, with constant innovation, will continue to develop, bringing prosperity to workers and good values to society. The future of crops is not only about bountiful fields but also about sustainable development. Where each product contains the pride and dreams of those who create it. On the journey towards a sustainable agricultural future, the story of the combination of people, technology and nature continues to be written with many new inspiring chapters. Every step forward in agriculture not only brings economic benefits but also contributes to building a world where food is not only a source of life, but also a symbol of creativity and connection. Digging deeper into each aspect, we see that modern agricultural models are constantly innovating. One of the notable trends is smart agriculture, a concept that has completely changed the way farmers produce and manage crops. In vast strawberry fields, IoT, Internet of Things, sensors are deployed everywhere to collect data on temperature, humidity, light and soil conditions. These data are analyzed by artificial intelligence, helping farmers make accurate decisions about when to irrigate, fertilize or harvest. Thanks to that, not only does the yield increase but also significantly reduces the amount of resources consumed, such as water and chemical fertilizers. Meanwhile, the application of robotics and automation technology has freed up human labor in heavy and repetitive stages. In coffee processing factories, the production lines automatically operates continuously at high speed. From cleaning beans, sorting, roasting, to packaging products, all take place in a closed environment, ensuring hygiene and optimal quality. Fragrant coffee packages, with the rich flavor of each region, are not only the result of modern technology, but also the quintessence of farmers who have been attached to coffee trees for many generations. Returning to the golden dream fruit. This fruit is not only highly valued in terms of nutrition but also opens up great opportunities in the functional food industry. Scientists have discovered that the golden dream contains many compounds that are beneficial to health. Such as antioxidants and vitamins. This encourages food and pharmaceutical companies to conduct further research to extract valuable ingredients from the golden dream, creating nutritional supplements or supporting disease treatment. These products, when introduced to the market, not only meet the increasing consumer demand but also enhance the value of the agricultural sector. However, one of the major challenges facing modern agriculture is how to maintain a balance between production and environmental protection. Climate change is strongly affecting the global ecosystem, directly affecting crop productivity and quality. In response, researchers and farmers have collaborated to develop new crop varieties that are more resistant to extreme climates. From drought to flooding, these varieties not only help ensure food supply but also contribute to reducing economic risks for farmers. In addition, education and raising community awareness also play an important role in the sustainable development of the agricultural sector. Training programs, seminars and international cooperation projects have helped farmers grasp advanced farming techniques and effective resource management. At the same time, consumers are also encouraged to choose environmentally friendly agricultural products, thereby creating positive pressure on producers to switch to more sustainable production methods. Not only that, the agricultural sector has also expanded its influence on a global scale through exports. High-quality agricultural products from fertile lands have conquered international markets, contributing to raising the position of the agricultural sector and improving the lives of millions of workers. From sweet strawberries sold on supermarket shelves in Europe, to fragrant coffee beans appearing in famous coffee shops in North America, or products from golden dreams conquering demanding markets such as Japan and Korea, all demonstrate the power of modern agriculture. Looking back on the journey, from the first seeds sown in the ground to the final products reaching consumers, we not only feel the magic of nature but also see the dedication and endless creativity of humans. The plump red strawberries, the fragrant coffee beans, and the vibrant yellow berries all tell the story of an agriculture that is constantly striving, innovating and developing. It is the blend of tradition and modernity, between love for the profession and the desire for improvement, that has created the strong vitality of the agricultural sector, making it one of the most important pillars of the global economy and society.